MP! Ayos.
Okay guys, this is my new gravel wheel set. This is the Hunt 40 Carbon Gravel Race version 2. Let's go!
Unbox na natin at tignan natin kung ano yung mga kasama.
Meron siyang mga extra spokes. These are the extra spokes. The spokes, I think this is made of steel. Tapos nandito rin sa loob yung mga valve. I'm going to set up this tubeless. So, i-tubeless din natin siya ngayon. So, ano pa yung nasa loob? Meron siyang sticker. Hunt. O nga pala, itong rim set na to is recommended by Mark Arthur. Shout out, Mark Casquero of Supreme Bikes. Thank you for helping me to acquire this wheel set. The wheel set is made of carbon, tapos steel spokes. And then, it has a 40 mm depth, and I think the internal rim width is 25 mm, which is okay for off-road or gravel riding. And what I love about this wheel set, guys, is when you order, you can ask for the HG or Shimano or SRAM. You can also order it with micro spline. If you're going to use a mountain bike cassette like I'm using, so naka XT ako na 12 speed 11 to 51, so this Hunt rim set is perfect for me. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-order ng separate prehab body, so you can order directly to Supreme Bikes, and then sabihin mo lang if you're going to use it for SRAM or Shimano micro spline. Kapag ka naka 12 speed ka na ang gamit mong cassette is for mountain bike cassette. So yun, labas na natin. I like the simplicity and the markings dun sa wheel set. So syempre meron siyang logo ng Hunt, tapos yung ito napakasimple lang niya, no? Nakalagay 40 Carbon Gravel Race. Yun. Ito naman yung isang the drive side, no? Ayan. Guys, ito. Naka micro spline na. So guys, if naghahanap kayo ng rim set, no? Alam ko marami naman dyan eh. There are wheel set na ganun din. You can order the prehab. Pero sa tingin ko, I've done a little bit of research here sa mga bike shop around here in the Philippines at ibang mga wheel set na available in the market. No? Ang nagiging problema kapag ka magse-setup ka ng mallet setup like me, 1x setup, no? XT, mountain bike, yung aking rear derailleur, tapos syempre kailangan ko ng micro spline para dun sa aking cassette. Yun ang nagiging problema ko rito, guys, no? Although yung previous wheel set ko, the Craftworks, galing sa CF Cycling Performance, Pedaling PH, when I acquired it, shout out to them kasi pinadala nila ako ng extra prehab body. Bayaran lang natin yung airfare, bilis din dumating. So pinadala nila tayo ng extra prehab body. Ang naging problema lang, honestly, nung nakarang track read sa Nueva Ecija, nasira yung hubs ko kasi yung kasing Craftworks sobrang magaang siya. When it comes to riding on gravel, wala namang problema. Pero since yun nga, medyo ano yun eh, very harsh yung setup niya kapag ka mountain bike. Cassette ang gamit ko with mountain bike, RD. So yun, kaya nagka-problema yung hubs ko. Ang maganda naman doon, cover ng warranty. So magagamit ko pa rin siya. I will set that up dun sa isang gravel bike. Pero for the meantime, ito na muna yung gagamitin natin. Pero syempre, bago natin siya gamitin, buuin, i-tubeless, sound check na natin agad. Okay.
Nga pala guys, no, munti ko pa makalimutan. Yung rim set nga pala na to is hookless. This is my first time nagagamit ng hookless rims. So, tingnan natin how it will perform at kung magiging okay sa aking panlasa. There are a lot of rims ngayon na naka-hookless and I'm hearing some good and bad reviews about hookless, pero so far, most of the people na alam ko na gumagamit na ng hookless rims, especially Mark Arthur, he's using this wheel set sa maraming mga epic rides at 1,000 plus kilometers of riding. So far, di naman siya nagkakaproblema. So, hopefully, mag-perform ang wheel set na to kagaya ng ina-expect natin. So far, so good. Mabilis naman siyang i-set up.
Okay guys, let's try this wheel set. Tapos bibigay ko sa inyo kung ano yung masasabi ko, yung aking first impression about this wheel set.
Pero with regards sa full review, siguro in the future. Laspagin na muna natin bago tayo magbigay ng full review about this wheel set. Pero for the meantime, let's put this wheel set to the test.
Pero syempre, pag-uusapan din natin yung mga specification ng wheel set na ito.
This wheel set is made from fully recyclable carbon fiber. Tapos, as I have mentioned a while ago, yung spokes niya is stainless steel. With regards sa tire size, aero-optimize siya for 35 up to 50 mm tires. So, dyan naman naglalaro yung mga ginagamit nating tires, kaya okay na okay para sa akin tong wheel set na to. With regards naman dun sa dimension ng wheel set, syempre, aero benefits if you have a 40 mm depth dun sa wheel set na to. So, ang kanyang depth is 40 mm, ang kanyang external width is 30 mm, at ang kanyang internal width is 25 mm, which is standard for most gravel wheel set today. The free body of this wheel set is microspline. For my setup, I'm using 1051 XT mountain bike cassette. The hubs nga pala is H-ratchet 40 teeth, dual-sided 42 ratchet system that offers 9 degrees engagement and durability, with all 40 teeth engaging simultaneously to handle high torque loads. Bagay na bagay talaga sa atin yung setup na to kasi talagang I'm using a mountain bike RD. Meron talaga tayong mga nararanasang high load torques doon sa ating mga pag-ship. So far, for a couple of rides, masasabi ko I am satisfied with the performance of this wheel set overall. Pero with regards dun sa experience ko using this hookless rim set, so far hindi ko pa ma-mention kung merong differences. With regards to that, masasabi ko lang yan siguro in the future pa. Let me use this wheel set pa, and then, as I mentioned a while ago, bibigyan ko kayo ng full review in the future about this wheel set. And also, I will compare this with some of the wheel set na nagamit natin doon sa ating mga gravel rides and gravel races. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, at kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe at my YouTube channel. Ride safe, stay healthy, God bless you all. This is the Cycling Chef. Ang baho!